Today's home workout that I've got for you as your qualified online trainer, Wyndham-Read, is an indoor walking at home workout. Now this is a really fun one. It's going to take 15 minutes today, and the idea is we're going to get your step count up, and I've got you 15 different moves. So the workout is going to fly by. You're going to love it. It's going to tick every single box. It's going to tone us up. It's going to get us fit. It's looking after our heart health. It's going to be burning calories. It's doing everything we want. So what we're going to do, we're going to get straight into the workout. The one thing I would say, if you haven't already got some water, hit pause, grab some water just so you can keep hydrated throughout the workout. And then if you're ready, I'm ready as your trainer to give you a really great workout. For the first 60 seconds, this is going to be part of our warm-up. So what I want you to do is just march on the spot and just follow me, just do some shoulder circles. So you can see here on the screen, you've got your Future Health Investment Lucy Squad jar. Now what we're going to do, every minute of exercise you do, we're going to put a coin in this jar because this is all about you investing in your future health. So as said, this first part, we're just doing a little bit of a warm-up. So just march on the spot, just make sure you land nice and softly. Just give me a couple of big shoulder circles. So we're just warming up your core body temperature, just warming up through your upper body. That's good, and we're just slowly increasing your core body temperature. So we're just going to go for another 16 seconds. And today I've got you 15 different moves, including your warm-up. Each move is going to be different. We're just going to go straight into it, and I'm doing this with you in real time. So let's just go last 5 seconds. 4, take it 3, 2 and 1. So you can see the next move. I just want you to do a hamstring curl, and we're just going to pull those arms back. We're just doing this for 60 seconds. So we've put in a second coin in your health investment jar. So think of it today, instead of 15 minutes, we want to get 15 coins in that jar. And do make the most of the room you've got. So if you can, travel around the room while you're doing this exercise. So it's just that slight little knee bend. So we're doing that hamstring curl and just squeezing back the arms. So working your upper body as well as your lower body. Just keep going. Land softly and make the most of the room that you've got. And definitely if you're on Instagram, come and find me. Let me know when you've done this workout. All right, that's good. And let's just go for last 16 seconds from now. And then we're going to get ready to put another coin in that jar. And let's go last 10, 9, and take it 8. Go 7, 6, 5, and 4. Let's go 3, 2, and 1. So for the next move, we're going to do 4 traveling knees. And then we're going to tap the foot back and do pushbacks with your arms. So we're doing sets of 4. So travel that forwards. Make sure you keep your upper body straight when you're doing the knee lifts and just tap that foot behind. So you're going to keep your upper body straight as you draw that knee to the opposite elbow and just tap back. That's good. So we've got 3 of those coins now in your health investment. And remember, every time you work out, as said, it's so key for our health and also our mental health. All right, let's just keep that going. And let's just push up back. Well done. That's good. Step it back. So keep that upper body nice and straight as you travel that forwards. And let's just get ready for those last 10 seconds coming up from now. And just push those arms in front, tap that foot back. And let's go 3, take it 2 and 1. So we're going to put in the 4th coin now. Now this time we're just going to do a side tap and just take the arms out to the side. So it's as if you're trying to squeeze your shoulder blades back together. And this here is just going to work your upper body as well as we're working your heart, and we're working the lower body as well. Just going from one leg to the other, tap that, and again, make the most of the room that you've got, travel it around the room as well. All right, that's good. Okay, that's it. Excellent. Well done. So we've got less than 30 seconds to go on this, and really think about trying to get those shoulder blades to touch as you squeeze the arms back. Your palms are facing forward. You've got a slight bend in the knees. It's always a really good idea to engage your core, and the way you do that is simply just draw your belly button tight towards your spine. And we've got last 8 seconds coming up. So just keep moving. And then we're going to get ready to put the 5th coin in the jar. So for move number 5, this time, just do big sunshine arms, just working one arm at a time. Imagine you're just drawing a sunshine and just have a slight bend through the knee, and you're just tapping that foot slightly behind. That's good. And just go from one side to the other. And do come and find me on any of my social media sites. You can see all the details on the side here. All right, that's good. So nice, big, strong arms, circling those arms around, and we've got 30 seconds coming up from now. So if you want to, for these last 30 seconds, make that move a little bit deeper, so you can take that bend a bit deeper and you can take that a little bit wider. That's good. And you can also speed it up if you want to adjust the intensity. All right, that's good. Let's just keep that going. Doing really well. Nice control. We're doing today, we're just going straight from one move to another, and on the next move you're going to really work on your reaction time, because I'm going to change 2 moves, so we're going to have fun with this one. So let's just put that 6th coin in. Now just give me fast feet, as fast as you can. That's good. And you're going to see any second I'm going to change the move, and when I do I want you to change as quickly as you can with me. All right, so now there we are, quickly. We're going to go to doing those punches, all right? So still marching fast, but now we're taking it to the punches. And this is where I want to really engage your mind. So we're working on a mind fitness as well. So when I change the move, I want you to change quickly with me. So we're straight back to doing those fast feet as fast as you can, and just really push through those arms as well. Keeping that going, that's good. And get ready for when I change that move. I want you to change as quickly as you can with me. It'll be going back to doing those punching arms, straight back to it. All right, that's good. Let's just keep that going. All right, well done. And we've got last 10 seconds. That's good. And we're just going to stick with this move for those last 5. Let's go 4, take it 3, 2 and 1. So next one now, we're just going to do a side step from one to the other. All right, so then you're doing a little toe tap, and when you're ready, start bringing in that arm movement. So it's as if you're sprinting with your arms. It's quite hard, this, but as I said, this is where I want to really work on your ability, your coordination. That's good. Just keep that going. So it's a little toe tap and just work with those arms. That's good. So we're doing this lateral move here. Really good. And this is move 7, so that means we've now got 7 coins in your jar. Okay, that's good, and keeping that going. All right, we've got less than 20 seconds to go. So the aim of today's workout is we want to get that jar filled with 15 coins. These are all about getting you healthy, fit and strong. So last 10 seconds. That's good, and we've got 5. Let's go 4, take it 3, 2 and 1. So for the next move, this time now, we're going to do a knee lift for 4, traveling forwards, and then a kick for 4, traveling back with pull down arms. So we've got knee, knee. So just join in as soon as you're ready, then take that leg back. That's good. All right, so just keep going. So it's 4 knees coming forwards and then 4 kicks back. And one thing that I do a lot of, I'll create you some really fun free challenges, and I've got lots of examples here to show you. So this first one is my Lifestyle Improvement Academy, and this focuses on everything from sleep to healthy eating, tips on how much water we should be drinking a day, lots of different tips for being your best. And this you can download. You can see the details there for the address, so you can download it, get it for free. I don't need your email. It's a free download, and it's a month's training plan. All right, so let's go last 7, take it 6, go 5, 4 and 3, 2 and 1. Now the next one requires lots of coordination. So we're going to go for 3 elbow taps. Now 3 push your arms directly up. So it's a toe tap and elbow tap for 3, then 3 pushes up. So it's if you're just reaching the arms up to the ceiling. So we go elbows and then ceiling. So we're just going to keep alternating sets of 3. Then another challenge that I've got is my beginner's running guide. Again, this is completely free. You get a free training guide, and then the workouts are up on YouTube. All right, so let's just keep going. And we're just doing those shoulder taps for 3, then take those arms straight up. That's good. So this one, again, we're working your total body. We're going to increase your heart rate, especially when we're taking the arms above heart level. That's good. So let's just keep that going. We've got 15 seconds to go. Good. And so we're just taking it to those elbow taps, then shoulders, pushing up. That's good. And let's just go another 3 of those elbow taps. So for the next one, you're going to punch one arm down, alternating, and just take the same leg out to the side. Then as you travel it back, I want you just to punch the arms. So you're going down forwards and punching up as you travel back. And now we've got 10 coins in that jar of yours. All right, that's good. So let's just keep that going. So another challenge that I've got, because I've got loads of these, so I just really wanted you to have a look today, because you could pick any of these to do. Then this is the Feel Fabulous challenge, and that one you get a different workout every day, and you can print off your tickable chart to keep you accountable, and you can see the address where you can find that one. All right, that's good. Let's just keep that going. So we've got last 20 seconds. So as we travel it back, we take the arm up. As we come forward, we're punching the arm down, doing really well. That's good. And we've got last 10 seconds from now. That's good. And let's just go last 4, take it 3, 2 and 1. So for the next move, we're just going to imagine you're skipping, and you're going to go 4 taps, traveling that forwards, and then 4 knee lifts back. All right, so imagine we're skipping, so we've got skipping arms and a toe tap, and then 4 knee lifts traveling back. All right, that's good. And just keeping that going. And then here's another challenge for you. So I've got your fitness covered. This is Be Your Best challenge. And again, it's a 4-week plan. All right, that's good. So let's just keep that going. So drawing that knee up, and then let's get ready to do those big arm circles. So you can see we've got less than 26 seconds to go. That's it. Nice and strong. So just working through those arms. So again, it's another total body move. Doing well. And do make sure when we're doing those knee lifts, make sure you're keeping your back nice and straight. And let's, there we are. That is Princess Sultana making her cameo appearance. And let's go 3, take it 2 and 1. So for the next move, this time now, we're going to do fast feet, but you're going to do it in a narrow stance and really use your arms as well on here. And we're going to alternate with then taking it to a wider stance. So we're just going narrow, fast feet. All right, that's good. Now take it nice and wide for me. And also on my website, I've got lots of blogs with really easy to make quick, healthy recipes as well, because what I want you to do is be focusing on the whole aspect of a healthy lifestyle. All right, so let's bring it in narrow again. So fast feet, landing softly. So we're just going really fast. Use the arms as well. That's good. And let's just keep that going. So we've got another 20 seconds. Good. And we're going to take it out wide for that last bit, and really take these feet off the ground as fast as you can, marching on that spot really, really fast. Okay, that's good. And then let's go 2 and 1. So for the next move, we're going to travel forwards for 4 straight leg kicks, taking the opposite arm to the foot, and then shuffle it back for 4. So it's 4 straight leg kicks, and then shuffle that back for 4. All right, doing really well. Good. And also, if you want some extra motivation, do go and check out my before and afters, because here I've got so many incredible stories for people who've just really transformed their health, both physically and mentally, of all ages, all backgrounds, all abilities. So if you have a spare moment and you want some motivation, I would definitely recommend go and look at those. All right, that's good. So let's just keep going on there and just shuffling that back. Let's take it 4 of those straight leg kicks. That's good. Keeping that upper body straight as you do those leg kicks, shuffle it back. So really keep that upper body straight as you can as you extend the arm and the leg, and then take that back. All right, let's go 3 from now, take it 2 and 1. All right, so we have got another coin in that jar. Now this time we're going to do a traveling knee lift, and you're just going to tap the foot out, but we're going to do rolling arms at the same time. So travel it forwards, 4 knees, and then step that foot out. Okay, so we are going to finish this workout when we put that last coin in that jar. All right, that's good. So we've got one more move after this. So let's just keep going. And my job here is, as your online trainer, is to make exercise part of your lifestyle. All right, so I want to make this a routine, a habit for you, because this is how we want to live a healthy lifestyle. I want to make workouts that are fun, that are doable, but most importantly, that are effective. Okay, that's good. So let's get ready for those last 15 seconds from now. Let's just keep going. So we're working through so many joints here: your knee joint, your hip joint, your elbow joints, your shoulder joints, which means we're working total body on this one. 3, let's go 2 and 1. So let's put that final coin in that jar. There we go. And do 4 raised knee lifts for me, and then step backs out to the side for 4. So 4 high knees, That's good. Reach it up and tap that foot out. Really good. And draw it up. And so what I want you to think of now for the rest of the day, these 15 minutes, so think of those 15 minutes as those coins in that jar you have just invested in your future health. And draw that knee up and up. That's good. So we've got less than 30 seconds to go. Side to side, draw it up. Well done. That's good. And you're going to be getting fitter and stronger. And again, it's Princess Sultana, and well done. Reach it up and step that foot out to the side. All right, that's good. So we've got last 10 seconds today. So let's do this together. You and I, tap that foot out and draw that knee up. That's good. And now tap it back. And well done. So well done, you did it, and here it is. There is my high five to you. So what I want you to do is just carry on marching on the spot for me. You can see the timer, just carry on marching to the end of that. So this is just now part of your cool down, and I just want to say, remember what you have done today with me. We have both invested in your future health, and what I want to do as your online trainer is make this a routine, a habit, so every day you wake up feeling amazing. So do let me know in the comments down below. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and if you're not already, definitely subscribe, and do let me know in the comments what other workouts you want, because my job here on my channel for you is to give you the best workouts. So what I want you to do now is I want you to click up on that link and come and do a full cool down stretch with me now.